so auch mahal. Hi, a lot of Korean houses here.
Yeah, a lot of, because we're near beach also. Mira male, oh.
Still Reich. Benvenuti, willkommen, bienvenue. Bienvenue.
Nice.
Hotel Europro, huh? Oh, so nice.
Yeah, now it's like in the Philippines, look.
Something else.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. And also it's really Philippines environment. If I see more shanty houses, then I am convinced. Das ist besser mahal. Camping Village, Atlanta, Mediterraneo, 36. Wenn das Ziel erreicht, dann müssen wir I know we are near now in the beach because we're
See,
In
it's
150 Metern befindet sich das Ziel auf der linken Seite.
linken Seite. And this is Nova Marina, Tegno Beach, area privata, consusta gratuita. Ay,
Das Ziel befindet sich auf der linken
Yes,
Seite.
we are here.
At ito na nga, tayo ay dumating na sa aming destination.
Maris Mera Mare.
Kami po ay nasa isang camping village. Ito po ay malapit siya sa dagat. At konting silip lang sa amin pong accommodation. Ayan. Kompleto naman po siya. At napaka-convenient po niya kasi masyado po kami malapit sa dagat. So lahat ng mga kailanganin mo nandiyan na, may pinggan na sila, may kutsara and everything. So di mo na kailangan magdala ng mga utensils. At dahil excited kami makita ang dagat, nung araw na yun, naka-red alert po siya. Dahil sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, malakas din ang hampas ng alon. So, pag sinabing red alert, wala pong inaalaw na mag-swimming. Maliban na lang dun sa isang nag-windsurfing. So, malakas ang loob niya, kaya reverse lang. So, ang ginawa namin, kami po ay naglalakad-lakad lang. Bonding moments, namumulot ng shells, gaya po ng ibang mga kasamahan naming nagbabakasyon din ng mga time. Ayan. Ganyan lang, lakad-lakad, exercise, galaw-galaw. Ang galing nung nagsusurfing, oh. In fairness, nung time na yun, sobrang ang tagal niya sa tubig at hindi ko man lang siya nakitang, alam mo yun, bumaliktad or whatever.
Yes.
Oh, ayun, okay lang daw sa kanya. Dahil nga sa lakas ng hampas ng alon, ayun, ang daming dumi, no, mga seaweeds. Dala nga po ng hampas ng alon. Pero in fairness, ang galing ng cleaner nila dyan, ha. Isang malaking truck. Ayan, ganyan kalakas yung hangin at ingay ng dagat.
Like me, red.
At ito pa yung isang patunay kung gaano kalakas yung hangin. Ayan. Hindi siya nakaligtas. Ayan, basahin nyo nga kung nababasa nyo ba yan. In Italian. Marami siyang translation. May Deutsch, English, ganun. Tatampisaw na lang sa tubig, lakad-lakad, ninanamnam. And medyo marumi talaga. Marami siyang mga dahon ng seaweeds. At nung time na yun, sobrang naaaliw din ako kasi ang daming ibon. Sobrang daming ibon talaga nung time na yun. In real, yung kung ikaw nandun in person, talagang sobrang daming ibon nung time na yun. At bumababa sila ha, hindi sila takot sa mga tao. So, kami po'y babalik na sa amin po camping house at tayo magluluto ng Italian pasta.
More than they open the tomato and depend. Yummy.
Pasta alla till.
Pasta alla til. German pasta.
Oh, it's not German. It's original
From Italian.
Italian recipe.
We will make Italian pasta and then tomato. First, you have to saute the onion and then the garlic and then the artichoke and then tomato paste and then the pasta. Pepper. You forgot to bring pepper.
Yeah, pepper.
Okay.
Damit.
Und yan, Kräuter. And then to add flavor tuna, Marotilla tono all'oliva di oliva. Oh, then with olive. That's my favorite. Mahal is the I miss the garlic and onion.
So we almost consumed all the cat food. You still
Ah, you are disturbing our vlogging. Serious vlog. You make a hey, this is good for oh, what's the sound? Scary, huh? What's
ignition.
Ah. Okay, the ignition is making sounds and scary. Scary, huh? Scary a bit. But it's okay. Ah, you cannot adjust it slowly, slowly but surely. Okay, that's enough.
The water's boiling.
Mahal, I think, are we going to put all? The pasta. Pasta. Actually, it's also from Italia. But it was bought in Deutschland. Okay, that would be Therefore, mahal also. Okay, chef, was noch, chef. Okay? Okay, we will wait up to 7 Minuten ungefähr. Yeah. I think we don't need to put